Come on, baby. Oh! Chrissy, go. Get a load of this nipple.
Are we recording?
Yeah, we are.
Why did you not?
Ace, give me some nipple for Chrissy.
Look, I don't know what my shirt is. There you go. That's
Ace, move your hand. Chrissy needs nipple. She demands it.
Woo!
Eric Boudreau. That's right, girl.
Was it nipping a hand?
It's all for you. Because you're not here. Also, let me tell you a story about how you need to get the fucking... Shut up, Eric Boudreau! Let me tell you a story all about how you need to get the fuck down here, like right now. And I'd like to take a minute just sitting right here to tell you a little story how I became the king of my fucking basement, which is a lie because that's totally Hagar. But get the fuck over here sometime soon. I miss you. And so does Eric Boudreau. Ace Cooney has no opinion. And Tony Kerber, who is off frame now, but in frame now. He kissed at you. Get here. And that's my balls.